Business Bites, powered by Sagicor.
Hello, I'm Cody Ann Barrett with your business updates for today. Scotia Group Jamaica Limited is set to leave the Jamaica Stock Exchange if its majority shareholder, Scotiabank Caribbean Holdings Limited, succeeds in buying out the remaining 28.22% stake held by minority investors. Under the proposal, minority shareholders would receive $61.50 per share, but the deal must first be approved by shareholders representing at least 75% of the minority shares voting on the transaction, as well as the Supreme Court of Jamaica. So what does this mean if you own Scotia shares? You'll be paid $61.50 per share if the deal is approved. You'll no longer be able to buy or sell Scotia shares on the stock market, and you will still get a vote on whether the deal goes ahead. But the key phrase is 75% in value, which means the voting power is weighted by the number of shares owned. For example, Investor A owns 1 million shares, Investor B owns 1,000 shares. Investor A's vote carries much more weight because they own more shares. For shareholders weighing the offer, the $61.50 price is roughly $3 above Scotia Group's closing price of $58.43 on Friday, or about 5.3% more. Scotiabank, however, said the offer is about 13% higher than the stock's average trading price over the past month. The offer is also above the company's book value, which is one way investors assess the underlying value of a company. Based on the company's latest financial statements, Scotia Group's book value works out to about $54.53 per share. That means Scotiabank's $61.50 offer is approximately 12.8% above book value. Shareholder meetings are expected in the coming months, and if approved, the transaction is expected to close in the fourth quarter of 2026. The proposed buyout also comes as Scotia Group announced a dividend of 45 cents per share, which will be paid on July 23, 2026 to shareholders on record as of July 1, 2026. In a message sent to Scotia customers on Friday, the bank sought to reassure clients that the proposed transaction signals a deeper commitment to Jamaica rather than a withdrawal from the market. The bank said, quote, "This proposed investment reflects our enduring dedication to Jamaica and the wider Caribbean, which remain integral to our worldwide strategy and long-term vision," end quote. The bank also added that the move is intended to deepen and strengthen its investment in the country. Customers were also assured that the transaction would not affect their relationship with the institution, stating that there would be, quote, "no changes to any of your products and services with the bank as a result of this proposed transaction," end quote. And that's it for the Business Bites today. I'm Cody Ann Barrett.